In this video, I will show you how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. Firstly, launch the application, then tap on the three dots on your right upper side. After that, simply, what is the most important thing, you need to tap on the settings bar, which is on your right upper side on the first selection. Just go on it. Right from here, as you can see, you have many different options in which you need to go on the right one, which is on the privacy selection. Go on that settings bar on your right upper side, type 4. Go for privacy checkup. Right from here, as you can see, you have many different options in which you need to go on who can send you friend requests. Simply just scroll down and as you can see, you have all these selections. Go on how people can find you and just go continue. From here you can take off got that friend requests, on which from here you can add these friends that it doesn't show you on your side screen. If you go next, simply also from here you can take over that side. And also if you get back and if you go on who can see what you share, and if you go continue, go next, from here also you can take off the audience, on which you can simply check over if there is right here blocked list. Maybe you have blocked that person and this is why it's not showing you on your side selection.